Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Toyota Tundra windshield wipers. Replacing your wiper blades is a simple maintenance task that significantly improves driving safety, especially in adverse weather. We'll cover everything from safely removing the old blades to securely installing new ones. This process is straightforward and can be completed with just a few basic tools, ensuring clear visibility on the road. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from your Tundra's windshield until it stands upright and locks into place. Be careful, as these arms are spring-loaded. Next, examine where the wiper blade connects to the arm. You'll typically find a small locking tab or button. Press this tab firmly, then slide the old blade down and off the arm. Always handle the arm carefully to prevent it from snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its adapter with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade firmly onto the arm until you hear an audible click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's properly attached. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower each wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Avoid letting them snap down, which could cause damage. With your new blades installed, hop into your Tundra and test them using the windshield washer fluid. Observe their performance to ensure they provide clear, streak-free visibility across the entire windshield. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Regular maintenance keeps your Tundra ready for any journey, ensuring safety and comfort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.